Whenever I come and take a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time, location, and Bobo Nigeria for this video. To put a Ghana Rubicon and then go on this video.
And you are still a virgin. I want to see you by Saturday, 5 p.m. You will sleep here till the next day, Sunday. And you will do some prayers to encourage you to keep your virginity. Oh, there is a satanic agenda that people who are still keeping their virginity are now being insulted. Who virgin help? Abi? And because of that, women say we're not powers. Who virgin help? So I want to tell you that virginity is important. So 5 p.m., if you know you are from 15 years above or 14 years above, that no man has ever slept with you. If you come here and you're not a virgin, people I want to see from Saturday 4 p.m. Me and you will be here. We will do VG together. If you know that a man have never used intercontinental ballistic missiles on you, we want to encourage you. Are you hearing me? We want to advise you how you can pray. So on Saturday, it is when we see on Saturday, we will now know how many times we can be gathering. Many boys here are not alone. You will be encouraged to keep it. Oh? Let your friends don't tell you, a player come to tell me that even my coach coaching me in the football says I should go and disgrace you.
Thank you. I'm needing a security video. This video generates so many reactions online. This video from this short video only generates so many reactions online. Kidi have the problem. Na Evangelist Ebuka Obi potasi biko nande ndobuni mane ebo virgin, verified virgin. Gibiana church na yebele. I don't know when this video was made. And when you were free, I can't you kube makia. The mother we pulianon when I say Kediko Yesu me could that kind of thing. That there are so many people here but at the end claiming I have virgin in order to gain a how we feel when they high deceive. Man, he made something specific in other video say that now we live in a world whereby virginity is now being mocked. We couldn't use the whole virgin help. Man, no is good thing is to encourage people. Just like somebody name a business. But I say again, obole money na ato one container. Biake belu na bele. You don't know say can do one container help because name na itosago container everywhere. Emano container kalezi everywhere. So you more on that encouragement I nyonya hanwe one container. We do something in his life or her life that will generate more to come for them. I know when you use this scenario as an example. When I say onwekwara ihe aye mende ba aye bụ ndị Igbo meta ya mma ya akabokwa new year akabalofu ihe akabokwa new year akabalofu that na amam na so many people were pained. Many people lost their virginity mgbe imago which one circumstances or the other due to BlackBerry of 7, iPhone 15, iPhone 12. So they made them to do so many things that made them to regret. Because nande jideluzulo she BlackBerry mba agwa ha na enwele ihe dịka WhatsApp ya patan, they may not believe it. Nde jide mgbe Tekno pụtara ofu agwa ha na a time will come when iPhone ya pataba, they may not believe it. Nde jide mgbe iPhone 6 ha jelo she iPhone 6 agwa ha na a time will come when something like iPhone 10, iPhone 15, iPhone 17 ya na apụta, they may not believe it. Man, because of that too much pressure to feel among, many people then did something they were not supposed to do. Many people did something they were not supposed to do. Agwandi ne use mgbe camera pụtara ofa na ebu camera na shoulder like this on anyị bụ ndị mmadụ. Agwa ndị mmadụ na a time will come when a camera bele camera na pempe ya patasi kita that you can carry around, travel all over the world. Onyekwa get the same great picture, 4K 60 frame resolution, all those things, and can even shoot on portrait. And you can edit on the go using cable to transfer from the camera to your phone and edit and post on social media. And when they use a helicopter as an area view, that a time will come when you can sit down with a drone where say something very, very attractive more than that helicopter, they will not believe it. Then why the pressure? I believe that is that where the anger is coming from, whereby a man of God will come out and make something like this. The mother Poliano Kahatabu. Kedi will be the problem. This is when you tell this example because now many people may lose their own in a way they did not plan it. Many people use kind of pressure to lose their own. Then they can why can't them brag with it? Because now I'm growing up, I'm on Basilai. I know many people might have heard that story and I've said it here many times. I'm on Basilai. That in an be a bishop and priest meeting or priest meeting or bishop meeting. As anybody man or meant to be Romanyaka. Name the father in a neighbor. Nabuluzo be near blessed sacrament and they were silenced everywhere. And people like Reverend Fadeji came back, we are the people that we are the person that lifted the stop. I'm on West Studio Hall. I am a Rozebome, man. I am that story. That story I seen a bony bonino bear that story as a canance. The whereby a such thing can be celebrated in the life of men of God. In the life of men of God, in the life of priests, reverend sisters, if those things can be celebrated in their life, then what then is the problem of nature can also celebrate here in their own personal life too? I keep asking myself, and will he melindi buiche kalia idi no to one na one idine emeko ihe ka mmadụ si emeko ihe. Biko no do akabala ha fo anu aba. Ka ide eji na gwam gbidi yasa ihe chukwu na achọ eme n'ime ndụ anyị this year. Because as a Kabokowa this year I can wait 350 something days left na this year. So it was 350 days left. Akabaliaba. A lot of things can still play. A lot of things can still happen. Situation can still change. Inu ihe de anga inagotaro. Leave that in and go. Don't be distracted this year. If you don't have the opportunity to ask questions, to learn and to relearn what you know, leave that environment. Focus on something that you know. The reason why in this thing is that now the year is still far to be distracted. The year is still fresh to become and be dragging men of God and Kehakun and Kehanakutero. After all, you can Zion, or put on a public na street. Microphone so in other words he's talking to Zionites. So if you are not a Zionite, I follow why this video is offending. He's talking to Zionites just like that the GOEA Adeboye may preaching. She don't actually any billion naira. He was actually talking to his children. Amaro wa onyejibulia na basaruno nise mmadụ na-agwa ụmụazị okwu just like mpa mụtara ụmụazị osi okeke ngwa okeke nyem 500,000 oka afọ nyem 300,000 ngwa ama m niile eme ọfụma nyem 1 million onye anyem 2 million. Onye ọzọ na nwere ihe gbasara ọ na-aba mba na mpa na tax ụmụazị ya. It is none of your concern. Rapụ papa ka o mee ihe gbasara ya wetu ụmụazị ya. It is left for the children, the rebellious children, to come and stand with their father and to solicit with him. God one.